Hi guys, this is Paul, Extra Hyperactive. It's Tuesday, September 28th. It's about 5 a.m. Pacific time, and Bitcoin is trading around $42,000. First things first, I want to talk about my yesterday's video, for which I'm super ashamed and very sorry about all the predictions that I gave yesterday. Yesterday I wasn't myself. As you might know, I'm a huge bear, and I'm very conservative when it comes to, and even not even just conservative, I'm very pessimistic when it comes to my predictions, right? But yesterday I bought into all that bullshit, misleading narrative from all those YouTubers, from all those crypto experts, and I actually believe that Bitcoin was on the move to $44, even $45,000. Right? If you follow other YouTubers, you know that everybody right now is screaming from the top of their lungs that Bitcoin is going to $100,000, which it might be, right? Which it might be, but it's not gonna happen tomorrow, in a few weeks, or even a few months, right? And but they making it sound like that's it, September is over, the dark month of September is done, and we're moving into the uptrend. And I bought into this narrative, and yesterday, as you can see, or a few days ago, I bought Bitcoin when it was at 43,850. And now my money is tied up in swing trading account, and I really hope that you are not one of those people. I really hope that you didn't take my advice yesterday and you didn't buy. Yesterday, even conservatively, I was predicting Bitcoin to go between $42,500 to $43,000, and again, misled by all those YouTubers, all those crypto experts. I was even saying that Bitcoin might be going back to $44,000 or even $45,000, which it was literally on Saturday. On Saturday, as you see right here, Bitcoin was above $44,000, and when it took a dive to 43, I told you that, hey, if it goes to 42,500, definitely we'll buy it, and it will go back to 43, 44 in a few days. Again, it's only Tuesday. There is a chance still that it might go by Wednesday, Thursday back up, because as you can see, we've been going down steadily since the weekend. But again, as you know me, if you've been watching these videos, if you subscribe to this channel, you know that I've been talking about Bitcoin going down to 40 and slightly below 40. I still believe that hopefully the list that I expect Bitcoin to go, if it works out as I said, the list it might go is $38,000-$39,000. Below 40, that's where it belongs right now. Below 40 and going below, between 40 to 42, 43 for a few days or maybe few weeks before it starts climbing back up in October, right? And hopefully that will be the time when Bitcoin will gradually or sharply start moving back up. But right now within the next few days, remember, we are focusing on day-to-day analysis, day-to-day predictions, going a little bit, maybe a few days ahead if you're a swing trader. And you're a swing trader if you're trading just a few hundred or a few $1,000s, right? It does make sense to be a day trader, as I've said in my previous video, right? Or if you are a long-term investor, then definitely right now it's a great time to buy. But if you're a day trader, until you're trading at least $3,000 a day, it does make sense to do it right now, especially when Bitcoin is on the way down, right? As I've just showed you, right now I have more than $5,000 stuck in swing trading account. I told you that I started buying Bitcoin again, misled by all those bullshit YouTubers and those crypto experts. I started buying Bitcoin more than $5,000 when it fell to 46, and then I bought it, as you can see right here. I was consistently buying 24, 25, 25, 20, 44, 42, 40, $42,000, 43, $45,000, right? And now I've accumulated all this money I could be using to day trade and actually make profit on a daily basis, whether it's cash or I've showed you the way how I do it. When I buy, let's say you make 10, 20 bucks, but instead of cashing in, you just take your initial capital and the rest you invest in the trust. That's how I trade my money for my clients. Right, so you can be a day swing trader and a long-term investor if you have a strategy and you stick to that. Which another thing, important thing that I wanted to talk about today, you have to have a clear idea if you're a day trader slash swing trader, or day trader, swing trader, and long-term investor. Like I just said, you can be all three if you have a strategy and if you stick to it. Right? And believe me, it's not easy. When you listen to all this dumb shit, bullshit experts, right? When you buy into all that FUD and MOFO, right? You're gonna lose money. If you lose track of what's happening on day-to-day basis, if you lose track of who you are, if you don't know if you're a day swing trader or if you're a long-term investor or a combination of three, then you're gonna lose money, period. And that's exactly what happened to me. As soon as I lose track of who I am, as soon as I'm trying to go long, as soon as I become greedy, I lose money. But today I make a conscious decision. No matter where a Bitcoin is, I'm gonna focus on just day-to-day operation, which means you buy today, you sell today. So this is what I wanted to talk about in the beginning of this video about what happened yesterday. I'm really pissed off. I'm gonna just tune out for the rest of the week at least and just focus on where Bitcoin, because right now it's very important. As I said in my video a few days ago, 40,000, slightly below 40,000 is a great place for Bitcoin to be. If it goes past this right here, that's the support level, $40,000. If it goes past this mark, then we are definitely on the way to 30s. Right? So right now, this week is going to be a very important week to keep track, to watch. And like I said, you have to decide for yourself if you're a day trader, swing trader, or if you're a long-term investor. Right. For me, I'm gonna be trading on a daily basis. Feel free to check in with me. I try to make a video every morning. Feel free to subscribe to my free newsletter. That's when I tell people when I buy, when I sell. I also have a private Telegram group that I only give access to people who I personally know, either in real life or I get to know through social media. So it's up to you, but again, remember, you take it on your own risk, whether you're trading with me or if you invest in our crypto trust, right? You taking on a risk. But as you know me, if you've been following this YouTube channel, you know that I started trading, investing in cryptocurrency just a year ago. I started with only $300 and I've grown my account to more than $20,000. As I've said in the beginning of this video, I'm a huge bear. I'm very conservative when it comes to trading. I'm not a gambler. I'm not a risk taker. The growth of our trust is slow but steady and sure. It's a sure thing, especially in upcoming days. But things like what happened this weekend happens, right? You buy into the false narrative, you buy into FUD and FOMO, and you lose money. So as I said before, trust no one. Don't listen to those experts, or listen to them, but make your own decisions. All right, and the only way you will be able to do it if you do it yourself. So feel free to trade with me if you have your own input, if you have your own knowledge, experience, and expertise about day swing trading. I'm happy to connect with you. I'm happy to learn from you. I'm happy to pay to learn from you. But just as long as you're really knowledgeable and experienced, if you are some bullshitter who tries to score some easy money, it's not gonna happen. For those of you who don't know, I am an ex-con. I've done time for fraud and stuff like that. I know every single trick in the book. Also, you know that I'm not just a trader investor, I'm also an entrepreneur and an online marketer. So every single scam, every single trick in the book that there are, and there are not that many, I know them all. So if you are knowledgeable, experienced, if you're honest, if you really want to create a supportive group around a group of like-minded people around yourself, then definitely let's connect. But like I said, as for today, I'm gonna finish with the quick analysis for today. Like I said, it's very, very decisive, but again, being a huge bear, we've already seen Bitcoin today drop into 41 like 500. So there's a reason to believe it might test this mark again, maybe go down to 41. And again, this is being very, very conservative. Can it shoot to 43, 42? It can. That's what makes Bitcoin so great. It's just unpredictable. It's so volatile, right? Miracles happen on a daily basis in the land of Bitcoin. But again, if you want to a sure thing, right, just continue watching. It's only 5 a.m. Like I said, things start moving around 6, 7, 10 a.m. But as of right now, I'm watching and I'm betting on Bitcoin to go below 41. And today I'm either gonna day trade again. I have a couple thousand in my day trade, and this is all is left, $4,600 for day trading. Or if I decide to switch to swing trading, then I'm gonna just buy a few $1,000s when Bitcoin goes to below 42,000. But even right now, $42,000 is a good price. Again, taking into consideration that $40,000, $38,000 is solid support, right? If it goes past that, then we're gonna be in trouble. But again, let's stay positive. Let's give those crypto experts, some kind of credit. So really hope that in a few days Bitcoin will start climbing back to 45, 46, so I can close my swing trades and wait for Bitcoin to go back up. So thank you for watching. Good luck. Stay positive. Don't believe anybody. Trust yourself, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning.